Alright, beauty enthusiasts. Today I'm taking you behind the scenes to uncover the magic behind your favorite makeup essential on foundation. Ever wondered what goes into making that perfect bottle? Let's dive into the process. First up, we have formulation. This is where the chemists come into play. They're like wizards mixing and blending raw ingredients to create the perfect texture and shade. They start with a base, usually a combination of water, oils, and emulsifiers. This forms the backbone of your foundation, giving it that smooth, spreadable consistency. Next, the pigments are added. This is where the magic happens. These pigments are finely milled to ensure they blend seamlessly into your skin, offering a natural finish. The trick is to balance the pigments just right, so they cater to various skin tones and undertones. It's a meticulous process, believe me. Once the formula is perfected, it moves on to the mixing stage. Picture huge vats, like giant blenders, where all the ingredients are combined. This ensures everything is evenly distributed, giving you a consistent product every time. Quality control checks are super strict here. Any deviation in that batch is tossed out. Only the best for your skin. Now let's talk about filling. This part is so satisfying to watch. Machines precisely dispense the foundation into bottles, ensuring each one gets the right amount. It's like watching a perfectly choreographed dance. And don't forget the packaging. Those sleek bottles and beautiful designs are meticulously crafted to not only look good on your vanity, but also protect the product inside. Finally, everything is inspected and tested. Foundations go through rigorous stability and safety tests to ensure they won't irritate your skin. Once they pass, they're ready to be shipped to your local beauty store or delivered straight to your doorstep, and there you have it. That's the secret journey of your foundation, from raw ingredients to the bottle you use every day. It's a testament to science, precision, and a little bit of art. If you enjoyed this factory tour and want to learn more about the beauty products you love, don't forget to subscribe to Beauty Factoria. Hit that bell icon for more tips, tricks, and insider secrets. Until next time, stay fabulous.